Today we are going to demonstrate the ease of installation of a concrete pole base using a product called Polecrete Stabilizer. This product has been utilized since 1988 by utility companies on transmission poles up to 80 feet tall. Here at Midwest Cast Products, we have utilized Polecrete Stabilizer on numerous concrete base installations, especially in areas where it is difficult to get equipment and gravel to the site. The two-part foam makes installation easier, saves time, and you can set your pole on it in as little as 15 to 20 minutes. No waiting for concrete to cure. Here, we have trenched our conduit path, and we are now augering a 30-inch hole in the center of the trench. We are installing a 24-inch base and want a minimum of 3-inch gap around the base. The 3-inch gap is standard for whatever size base you are installing. As you can see, by pushing the dirt out of the trench and cleaning the hole with the auger, we have a very clean conduit trench and hole. Now we want to over-dig the hole depth by 6 inches. Here we are placing 6 inches of 3/4 or 1-inch gravel on the bottom of the hole, then tamping the gravel that we use with a hydraulic tamper. If needed, utilize the concrete base itself as a tamp by simply raising it up and down 3 to 4 times to compact the gravel. It is important to tamp so that the base will self-level. If the gravel is not put in evenly, the base may need to be pulled to add gravel to one side or the other. Place a 3-foot level on the front and side to verify the pole base is straight and plumb. Be sure to align the red plastic plugs with the conduit trench, also making sure the bolt pattern is oriented correctly. With a little planning, this makes the job very simple. The electrician removes the red plastic caps and installs PVC metal adapters into the threaded holes of the concrete base. The conduits are then glued into the adapters. The number of conduits, sizes, and locations are determined by the customer at time of order. We are now ready for the pole stabilizing foam. This kit comes with all the components that you see here. Please remember to always wear safety glasses and the gloves provided. If you choose the pole foam option, Midwest Cast Product ships a kit with each base. A typical 5-foot hole for a 24-inch base requires a 7.5 cubic foot kit. A 6.5-foot hole will require a 10 cubic foot kit. We can calculate the specific kit required for your installation at the time of order. When requesting a quote for a bidding project, please specify if you will utilize the pole stabilizing foam so that we can provide you with an accurate quote. Here we are preparing to mix the two-part foam. Always put part B in first. The box is designed as a mixing container. Put equal amounts of both B and A in the box. Have the mixing blade ready on your battery drill and mix immediately for 20 seconds. Pour the two-part foam evenly but quickly around the concrete base. Scrape the residual from the bottom of the box immediately into the hole. The foam takes 15 minutes to fully expand. Notice how the foam expands. This foam is a high-density, closed-cell product. It is preferred that the foam reach or exceed the conduit height. Backfill the remaining 18 to 24 inches with leftover soil. No need to compact. Leave the dirt mounded at the top to account for minor settling. If the foam does not reach the conduit height due to the hole depth or oversized diameters, simply remix equal amounts and pour on top of the already expanded foam. Do not add more foam until the previous poured foam has completely expanded. The product is hard to get off your hands, clothes, and the side of the base, so please handle the product with care. We recommend wrapping the upper portion of the base with plastic wrap or a garbage bag. If it should get on the base, immediately wipe the chemical off the visible portion. To demonstrate how tight the foam adheres to the base, we pulled the base and attempted to remove the foam. So how does Midwest Cast Products precast bases and pole stabilization foam affect your project? With significant time and labor savings, less fatigue on employees, no waiting and coordinating concrete trucks. No fighting Mother Nature or dealing with rebar, sonotube, or bolt templates. The result is a better looking, higher quality base that is built right every time in a controlled manufacturing environment.